We all know that Christmas is synonymous with indulgent treats. Imagine the warm and comforting scent of ginger filling your house, bringing back the special Christmas memories. Now picture turning that lovely aroma into a wholesome snack that not only energizes you, but also aligns with your health goals. The perfect recipe. Let's get cooking. Today we're making pumpkin and chocolate chip high protein soft cookies. They are not just really tasty, but they also bring a nutritional punch with high quality ingredients. We are using oats instead of wheat flour. The oats will add a dose of complex carbs that provide a slow and sustained release of energy. This type of carbs is perfect for maintaining blood sugar levels and keeping you full throughout the day. To elevate the flavor profile of these cookies, I've chosen to blend 200 grams of oats together with half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 star anise, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom pods, 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, and half a teaspoon of sea salt. If you prefer a puffy and soft texture, add half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. If you prefer your cookies crunchy and gooey, do not add them. In this recipe, I'm using them. Blend until completely combined. Not only do these spices add a great aroma and taste, but they also bring a host of health benefits. For example, cinnamon is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and ginger is great for digestion. Combine the flour mixed with 80 grams of vanilla protein powder. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, but it also helps to keep you satiated for longer. Add 50 grams of coconut oil and 50 grams of almond butter. You can use any other nut butter that you want. We are sweetening the cookie mix with 70 grams of maple syrup. Lastly, we add 150 grams of pumpkin puree, which is packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber. Pumpkin not only enhances the flavor but also brings nutritional boost to the table. I am going to use an electric mixer, but you could do this by hand too. These healthy fats are not only delicious but also contribute to heart health and overall well-being. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily digestible and can be quickly converted into energy. The maple syrup, a natural sweetener that provides antioxidants and essential minerals, it adds just the right amount of sweetness without the need for refined sugars. Once combined, we will add an egg, which will help to bind everything together, creating a cookie dough that is not only tasty but also nutrient-packed. When everything is almost ready, we'll add 30 grams of 85% dark chocolate chips. And when everything is well combined, I'm going to leave the cookie mix rest for 20 minutes in the fridge, and I will set the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes in the fridge, set up a tray with some parchment paper, scoop the cookie mix out and make 8 even portions. Once ready, bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Our whole kitchen will soon be filled with the lovely aroma of freshly baked cookies. As you can see, these are the ones that are a bit puffier and soft ones. If you want them to be a bit more crunchy, just remember to remove the baking powder and the baking soda. Each one of them, they have 14 grams of protein and around 300 calories. I will leave you the nutritional information at the end. If you want the recipe for the best healthy breakfast or another great snack, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and comment, and please consider subscribing for more healthy recipes. See you in the next one. Bye bye.